I'm librarian Emila Alkayat, and I'm here to introduce you to NNLM Discovery, a podcast series from the network of the National Library of Medicine. This podcast explores how the NNLM is engaging with communities to provide access to trusted information for the purpose of improving the public's health. Throughout our first season, you'll hear inspiring stories from all over the U.S., from Alaska to the Virgin Islands. A few of the podcast episodes were also created into videos, which will be featured on the National Library of Medicine's YouTube channel. I'm excited to premiere one of these videos now. Subscribe to NNLM Discovery wherever you get your podcast to hear this story in its entirety. And remember to subscribe here on YouTube to the National Library of Medicine for more great videos. Now sit back and enjoy this video.